Okay, so basically just now you have watch the video about tips on how to answer the question. Okay, so there are a few tips. Okay, there are 3 tips actually. Okay, and on how to answer the question. Okay, number 1. Okay, once you get this question, okay, this is the example. Okay, once you get the question, you have to read the whole text, or you have to look at the first line. Okay, awak kena tengok, awak baca dulu. Okay, pertama sekali baca dulu satu artikel ni ataupun tengok satu baris. Okay, after that, okay, that is number 1. Okay, number 2, you have to identify the tenses. Okay, awak kena kenal pasti dia punya tense, sama ada past tense or present tense. Okay, for example, like here, Kelantan, during the first night of the flood, the teacher, Muhammad Apandi Hashim, takes his little boat through the darkness in search for victim trapped by flood waters. Okay, look at here. Okay, to identify the tenses, you have to look at the verb. Okay, untuk kenal pasti tenses sama ada present tense or past tense, awak kena kenal pasti dia punya verb or perbuatan. So kalau tengok kat sini, okay, the first line ada tak verb kat sini? Tak ada. Okay, the second line, okay, Apandi Hashim takes his little boat through the darkness in search for. Okay, kat sini pun ada tapi salah, ini wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so ignore this line. Okay, line 3. Victim trapped by the flood waters. He managed and saved his neighbors. Okay, if you look at the third line here, you can see that there are 2 verb. Okay, ada 2 verb. Okay, the first one is trap. T-R-A-P-P-E-D, trap. Okay, the second one is manage. Okay, so if you look at these 2 verbs, okay, you can see that they have ed. Okay, ada ed, which means the tenses is past tense. Okay, perkara yang sudah berlaku. So, to answer this question, for the verbs, you have to change into past tense. Okay, that is number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, to answer the question also, okay, usually, the wrong answer, the underlined words, which is the wrong question. Okay, the answer must be related to the question. Okay, for example, like if you look at here, okay, this is, but it was dark and they were the brave man say it was difficult trying to navigate his boat around the flood waters. This is, but it was dark and there were many tree branches sticking out the waters. Okay, look at number 13. This is, but. Okay, but it was dark and there. Okay, but usually but is a conjunction. Okay, kata hubung. So the answer must be also the conjunction. Okay, atau jawapannya mesti conjunction juga. So kalau this is, but it was dark. Okay, ini adalah tetapi gelap dan banyak pokok. Okay, tetapi salah. So you have many options of conjunctions. You can choose either because, and, or. Usually that option lah. Okay, biasanya soalan dia takkan banyak, takkan pilih jawapan-jawapan yang susah. So you can choose either because, and, or. So this is and it was dark. It's not suitable. This is or it was dark. Okay, it is wrong. So the answer should be this is because it was dark and there were many tree branches sticking out the waters. Okay, that is number 13. Okay, that is how you answer the question. Alright.